WATCHA got for me. 32 counts, 4 walls, intermediate. Weight on the left. Section 1. 2 walk, right, left. Side rock, ball side lunge. Recover. Make a 180 turn facing 1030. Left coaster. Forward on right. Count section 1. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Section 2. Make a 3/8 diamond fall away from 10:30 to 6 o'clock. Cross back 1/8 back facing 9. Behind quarter forward facing 6. Step left forward, right kick, step, lock, step. Left kick, step, touch behind, snap finger. Count section 2. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Section 3. Right foot. Side rock, recover quarter with flick. Forward. Now facing 3. Left press, recover with hip push. Push hip forward. Push hip back. Left coaster step. Count section 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4. 2 jazz box quarter turn. Cross, quarter back, side, slightly forward. Cross, quarter back, side, slightly forward. Now facing 9. And start again. Section 4 with hand. Right cheek, left cheek. Right palm down, right palm up. Next jazz box with shoulder pop. 2 shoulder opposite. Left shoulder up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Count section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start again. Whole dance count. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wall 2. 1, 2, and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the end of wall 10, you also come here to finish the dance forward right half turn facing 12.